So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute, super fun, festive painted jeans for Christmas. So let's get into it. So to start, you'll need to take a pair of jeans and then sponge on some black paint to create a background. And if you don't have fabric paint, then you can just use acrylic paint and mix it with a fabric medium. And then after you finish the background, just take some white paint and then make a slanted candy cane shape. And then do the same on the other side so they form a heart. Then add stripes to your candy cane. Then to make your design a little more fun, use some more white paint to create swirls and dots and little star shapes. With that, sponge on some more black paint in a different area of the pants to create another background. And then take some green paint and put it in a circle so it looks like a Christmas wreath. Then you'll want to add a little red bow to it. Next, make more swirls, dots, and stars. Add some highlight to the bow and then some more details to the wreath. At this point, my bow was looking kinda sad, so I just added another one behind it to make it a bit more. And your first pair of jeans is now complete. For my second pair of jeans, I'm going to be painting a back pocket, so I'm just starting by taping it off. Then I'm adding a white circle to the top left part, and then I'm blending that out to a blue. After I've completed my blending, I am adding a deeper blue and then blending that too. Afterward, paint the rest of the pocket white for snow. And then add a snowman shape and 2 trees. Use blue paint to add shadow to the snowman and the snow. Add white paint to the trees so they look snow-topped. Use orange paint to give the snowman a carrot nose, and then some brown paint to give the snowman some stick arms. After you're done with that, your snowman jeans are completed. For our final jeans, I'm once again doing a back pocket, but this time I'm doing it the left side. So I'm just starting by taping it and then taking some white paint and making a dot in the center, blending that out to blue, blending it out to a deeper blue, and then eventually blending it out to black. And that area that looks like it isn't blended, I promise it is. It was just kind of sitting in a shadow, and so I felt the need to pick up the jeans and show you that it was, in fact, blended. change. And so now I'm going to be painting the lamp part. So I'm basically just doing like a street lamp with black paint. After I've painted the lamp, I am just taking some green paint and then making it look like a garland is wrapped around the post. Add some highlight. Whoa, sunlight. Now you'll want to take some red paint and then paint a bow at the top of the lamp post. And now your final jeans are completed. And after you're finished painting all your jeans, you'll want to set the paint in. So there are 3 ways to do this. So you can blow dry it on a warm setting, you can iron it, or you can throw it in the dryer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!